Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing immediate obstacles. Disconnect the battery and take off the top trim. Use a trim pry and targeted T10/T15 bits to undo visible screws. Once loose, gently lift panels just enough to inspect hidden clips. Make sure to photograph each panel orientation so you can restore it correctly. Listen while panels are slightly displaced to localize the noise. This first access step saves time because you find exact contact points and avoid breaking clips when you dive into repairs. Once panels are accessible, methodically probe each area while someone gently bangs or moves the dash to recreate the rattle. You use a stethoscope or long metal screwdriver to isolate vibration points. Check common trouble spots: vent bezels, speaker mounting screws, HVAC duct joints, and cluster edges. When you find a suspect, mark it clearly with painter's tape and remove adjacent fasteners to inspect fit. Make sure to test with the dash in the closed position to confirm you've found the real source before securing anything. You now perform corrective actions. Add foam tape or felt to contact points, use small silicone pads for hard-to-reach seams, and tighten or replace loose screws and clips. Once reassembled, simulate road conditions by applying pressure and tapping around repaired spots. Then take a short test drive to confirm the rattle is gone. If the noise persists, make sure to reinspect the originally marked suspects and isolate one area at a time, because layered rattles often mask the true remaining source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.